Let's do section B, and question number 21 is one of the very most important questions. It says perimeter of a semicircular protector is dash whose radius is r. Now radius is r. See, perimeter means taking one round and coming back. So going like this and then coming back. This is perimeter. So what we are doing is half the circumference, that is 2 pi r by 2, plus this diameter means 2r. So this gives us the answer as pi r plus 2r, and hence D is the correct option. So I hope you understand this. Question number 22 says whether the probability lies between 0 and 1 and 0 and 1 are included or not. So see, probability of an event can be 0. We call such an event as impossible event, right? And probability of event can be 1. Such an event is called sure event, and probability can lie in between also. So that means 0 is less than equal to the probability and it is less than equal to 1. So both the cases are included, and hence we have C as correct option. In question number 23, we are given triangle ABC, which is right angled at B, and also BD is perpendicular to AC. AC is 9 and AD is 3. We are given two sides and we have to find out BD. So clearly this question is not based on Pythagoras theorem, though we have a right angle. But since we have two right angles, we can think of similarity. Let us try to prove triangle BDA similar to triangle CBD. Let us see the matching parts. Angle B of triangle BDA will be equal to angle C of triangle CDB. And angle D of triangle BDA, that is 90 degree angle, is equal to angle D, that is angle 2 of triangle CDB, 90 degree each. So these two triangles are similar and this order must be correct. Students, please watch the detailed video on similarity on the channel from NCERT, where I have explained these questions and how to decide the order. Now once order is correct, let us write down the ratio. Taking first two alphabets, I get BD upon CD, and then taking next two alphabets, I get AD over BD. If you write down the correct order, then writing ratio becomes very easy. Now if you just cross multiply, you get BD square is equal to CD into AD. Now let's put in the values. BD square is equal to CD. CD is like 9 minus 3, that is 6, into AD is given to be 3. So BD square is equal to 18 and BD comes out to be square root of 18. That is 3 root 2 is clearly the option. So B is the right answer. Question number 24 says that this pair will not have a solution if K's value is this. So for no solution, the condition is A1 over A2 is equal to B1 over B2 but not equal to C1 over C2. Now A1 over A2 is 3 by 6, right? So 3 by 6 is equal to B1 is 5 and B2 is K, clearly 5 by K, and is not equal to C1 is 3 and C2 is 8. Now both of them are on right hand side, so we have no problem. So if I consider these two, I get the value of K as 5 into 6, 30 divided by 3, that is 10. Right? If you just cancel this out, so I get value of K as 10. So K is equal to 10, and if I consider these two, though K is equal to 10, B option I have got. But just for better understanding, K is also not equal to, let's cross multiply, 8 into 5 is 40 divided by 3. So K is not equal to 40 divided by 3. So this is important if you have multi-correct answer, or if maybe there is an option like both A and B are correct. So in such a case, you have to do this factor also. So B is the right answer for question number 24. Question number 25 is very interesting. It says circumference of a circle increases from 2 pi to 4 pi. That means it becomes double. Then area becomes how many times the original area? So let us first do it in detail, then I will tell you the shortcut. Now detailed solution says that ratio of C1 over C2. Let's find out C1 over C2. It is 2 pi by 4 pi. And if I just put in the values I get, 2 pi r1 by 2 pi r2 is equal to 1 by 2. So if I cancel this out, I get the ratio of r1 and r2 as 1 by 2. Now as I get this ratio, let me find the ratio of areas. Area 1 upon area 2 will be pi r1 square upon pi r2 square, which is r1 by r2 whole square. Right? And what is the ratio of r1 by r2? It's 1 by 2. So I get 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. So area 1 becomes 1 by 4 times area 2, but we want new area will be how many times original area? So area 2 will be 4 times the original area. So D option is the correct answer. Mind it, students, answer is 4 times, not 1 by 4 times. By chance here 1 by 4 is no option, but in case you have that option also, don't get confused. We are asked new area will become dash times the original area, so it will be 4 times the original area. Now let's get to the shortcut method. The formula for circumference is 2 pi r, right? Now if circumference is becoming double, now it depends only upon 1 power of r. That means radius will also become double. In whatever way circumference changes, by same factor radius changes. So if circumference becomes double, radius also becomes double. Now let us write the formula for area. Area is pi r square. Now here r is having 2 powers. So if radius becomes double, then area will become square of 2, that is 4 times. So this is how you can directly get to 4 times. And D will be the correct answer. In question number 26, we are given that sine of theta is A by B. Now we know the formula for sine theta is some people have. You must be wondering what is this some people have. There is a short video of a very cute poem on my channel which tells you about the formulae for sine theta, cos theta and tangent theta. Must go and watch it. So formula for sine theta is P upon H. And we are given it to be equal to A by B. So, perpendicular is A and hypotenuse is B. Now, we don't need to apply K factor which we do in subjective because this is objective. We want the value of tangent theta. For that, we need to find out the base. Now, clearly, formula for base will be BC square will be equal to B square minus A square. Right, because this is the hypotenuse, so hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, and BC comes out to be square root of B square minus A square. Now what is the formula for tangent theta? To proper brush or through proper brush. Now I'll tell you this poem just after this question, and the formula for tangent theta is P upon B. So my answer comes out to be A upon root B square minus A square, which matches with option D. Hence, D is the correct answer. Now, let's go to the poem. I'll tell you here only. It goes like this. Some people have curly brown hair through proper brush. Let's see. Sin theta is equal to some people have P by H. Cos theta is equal to curly brown hair B by H. And tangent theta is equal to proper brush P by B. So it's so easy to remember. Sin theta is some people have, cos theta is curly brown hair, and tangent theta is through proper brush. So I hope you like it. There is one more way. I will tell you, though I have covered it in my videos on the channel also. Wait for one more. It goes like this. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole and Sona Chandi Tole. So sin theta is equal to some people have, cos theta is equal to curly brown hair, base upon hypotenuse, and tangent theta is perpendicular upon base. But my personal favorite is some people have curly brown hair through proper brush, because it takes you in one go, it tells you about 1:t ratio. There is one more method, but watch out my video on the channel for this. Let's proceed to question number 27. It says if x is 2 sine square theta and y is 2 cos square theta plus 1, find the value of x plus y. So I've just written the value of x plus y. Now clearly if I take 2 common from these two, I'm left with sine square theta plus cos square theta. And I know that value of sine square theta plus cos square theta is what? It is 1. So I get 2 into 1 plus 1, which gives me 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. So A is the correct option. This was quite a simple one. It says difference between circumference and radius is 37. So we need to find out the circumference. So let us take r common. I am left with 2 pi, means 2 into 22 by 7 minus 1 is equal to 37. So let us solve it. R bracket. Now this is 44 by 7 minus 1. Let us do a shortcut here. This is 44. 7 once gives you, just multiply this. 44 minus 7. Directly I can write 37. Divided by 7 is equal to 37. And see, this 37 can get cancelled and straight away I can write the answer as 7 if it is MCQ. But if it is subjective, of course you have to increase 2 steps. But for MCQs, you can do like this. These are calculation shortcuts which you can get only by practice. And this trick is available on the channel. You must go and watch it. So R is equal to 7. D is the correct option. 29 says the least number which is divisible by all numbers from 1 to 10, including both. So that means we have to find the LCM of the numbers from 1 to 10. Right? So let us write down the factors of the numbers from 1 to 10. So these are the factors from numbers 1 to 10. Now let us write down the LCM. First I will take 1. Now let us see how many powers of 2 we have maximum. Here we have 1 power, 2 powers, 1 power and 3 powers. And here 1 power. So 3 is the maximum number of powers. And you know that in LCM we take the highest power. So I shall have 2 cube. Now let's come to 3. Here we have 1 power and 2 powers. So I shall be taking 2 powers. Now let's go to 5. 1 power and only 1 power. So I will write 5. And the next number is 7. Here I have 1 power. So I write 7. And that's it. There is no other number. All the numbers have been covered. So this is our LCM. Let us multiply them to get the answer. And the answer comes out to be C. That is 2520. So C is the correct option for this. Question number 30 says that there are 3 bells which ring at 4, 7 and 14 minutes. If they rang at 6 am, when will they ring together again? Now clearly this is the question of chapter 1 LCM or HCF. Now maximum students face the problem, they don't know whether to find LCM or HCF, how to decide this. So I've covered completely chapter 1 on the channel. You must go and watch it. Here I will tell you again that there is one sure short method to decide whether to find LCM or HCF. You just see whether your answer is going to be smaller or larger than the given numbers. If your answer is going to be smaller than the given numbers, you need to find out HCF. And if your answer is going to be larger than the given numbers, your answer is going to be LCM. Do not go after the words like some teachers tell or some books tell. If least, minimum, etc. is given, then LCM. If highest, greatest is given, then HCF. That is also one way, but it is not a sure shot. Now let us apply this. If the 3 bells are ringing at intervals of 4, 7 and 14 minutes, can they together again ring before 4 minutes? Can your answer be less than 4 minutes? No. Your answer cannot be less than 4 minutes, so it will not be HCF. Your answer has to be more than 14 minutes, 4, 7 and 14 minutes. So this is clear that we have to find out LCM. Now let us find out LCM of 4, 7 and 14. Clearly, since it is an MCQ, apply shortcut. If I do divide with 2, I get 2, 7 and 7. And again, if I divide with 2, 1, 7 and 7. And now if I do with 7, I get LCM as 2 into 2 into 7. That is 28 is the LCM. So the bells will again ring at 6:28 am. right? You are asked the time also, not just LCM. So 6:28 a.m. is going to be the answer. Question number 31 says to find the age of father. If sum of ages of father and his son is 65 years and twice the difference of their ages is 50 years. So let us suppose that age of father is x years whereas age of son is y years. Let's frame the two equations. X plus 5 is 65 and twice the difference 2 into x minus y is 50. So this gives me 2x minus 2y is equal to 50. Or if I divide throughout by 2, or in this step only, if you take 2 on the other side, I get x minus y is equal to 25. And let me write the first equation below this. I have x plus y is equal to 65. If I simply cancel out y, because otherwise also I need only the value of x, that is only the age of father. So I get 2x is equal to 90 and x comes out to be 45. Hence, B is the correct option. In question number 32, we have to find the value of this expression. So, let us open the square. I have tan theta cosec theta square. So, this gives me tan square theta cosec square theta minus sin square theta secant square theta. Now see, there is a mixture of tangent, cosec, sine and secant. So what we should do is we should convert all of them to sine theta or cos theta. So we have a formula for all of them to be converted to sine or cos. So let us convert one by one. Tangent square theta is sine square theta by cos square theta and cosec square theta is 1 by sine square theta minus sine square theta as it is and secant square theta is 1 by cos square theta. So sine gets cancelled. So I am left with 1 by cos square theta. And second term is minus sine square theta by cos square theta. Now in both of their denominator there is cos square theta. So I can take LCM as cos square theta. In the numerator I have 1 minus sine square theta, and we know that formula for 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So I get cos square theta by cos square theta, which on cancellation gives me 1. Hence C is the correct option. In question number 33, we are given perimeters of two similar triangles and we have to find the ratio of their areas. We know that ratio of areas is equal to ratio of squares of corresponding sides. There is one more result, that ratio of sides is equal to the ratio of perimeters also. Actually, this is a concept of ratio and proportion which says that if two or more ratios are equal, then it is equal to the ratio of their sum also. So, and also this concept is available in NCERT exemplar book, and based on this concept there is a question in standard question paper also. Students, you must follow NCERT exemplar problem book, and I have made videos on all the chapters of NCERT exemplar MCQs. So you must watch them whenever you get time. So let's come back to the question. So since this is side 1 upon side 2 whole square and it is also equal to the ratio of perimeters, so I can say that it is equal to 26 by 39 whole square. And if I cancel it out, I get 2 by 3 whole square, that is 4 upon 9. So D is the correct option. See, 2 by 3 option is also present here just to confuse you, but D will be the correct answer. I am repeating this concept that if A upon B is equal to C upon D is equal to E upon F, then this is also equal to the sum of numerators upon sum of denominators. Question number 34 is very interesting. It says there are 20 vehicles, car and motorcycles in a parking area, and total number of wheels is 56. So how many cars are there? So let us suppose that number of cars is X and number of motorcycles is Y. So first equation that we get is X plus Y is equal to 20 because total number of vehicles is 20. But number of wheels total is 56. So cars have 4 wheels, so I get 4x. But motorcycle has 2 wheels, so I get 2y. So my equation becomes 4x plus 2y is equal to 56. And if I divide this equation throughout by 2, students, you must have noticed that dividing throughout is a very common step and it saves your time. You don't have to take common or something. You can directly write 2x plus y is equal to 28. Let me write down the first equation again. I get x plus y is equal to 20. Now simply I change the sign and solve them. I get 2x minus x, that is x, is equal to 28 minus 20, that is 8. And this is what I have to find. How many cars are there? I am not asked the value of y, so don't find the value of y. 8 is the correct answer, that is option A. In question number 35, they say a man goes 15 meter due west. So this is west, 15 meter due west, and from here 8 meter due north. So from here only it goes 8 meter due north, and clearly this is a right angle, and we have to find out the distance from the starting point. So we need to find out the distance AC, right? So simply we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square will be equal to 8 square plus 15 square, and simply solving it, I get AC square is 289, hence I get the value of AC as 17, right? So C is the correct option. In question number 36, we have to find length of altitude, that is AP, of an equilateral triangle whose side is 8 cm. Now we know that in an isosceles triangle, perpendicular bisects the base, and same is true for equilateral also. So AP bisects BC. Hence, we get BP as 4. This is a very common result, students, and it occurs due to the fact that triangle APB is congruent to triangle APC. Hence, we get BP is equal to PC. Now, simply we have to apply Pythagoras theorem on AP square, which is equal to 8 square minus 4 square, and it gives me 64 minus 16, that is 48, and 48 on solving, I get as 4 root 3, because AP will be square root of 48 and square root of 48 will be 4 root 3. 4 into 4 is 16, into 3 48. Hence C is the correct option. Question number 37 says, if letters of the word Ramanujan are put in a box and one letter is drawn, find the probability of the letter A. And there are total 9 alphabets in the word Ramanujan. And our favorable cases is alphabet A. So 1, 2 and 3. 3 are the favorable cases. Hence our answer comes out to be 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. And hence D is the correct option. Question number 38 says, area of the sector of a circle is 1/6 the area of circle. So I get theta by 360 into pi r square is equal to 1/6 of pi r square. So this pi r square gets cancelled and I get theta as 360 divided by 6, or value of theta comes out to be 60 degrees. Now I am asked to find the degree measure of minor arc. So actually degree measure of minor arc is theta only, the angle which it makes at the center. So B is the correct option. Question number 39 says, a vertical stick 20 meter long casts a shadow 10 meter long on the ground. And at the same time, a tower casts a shadow 50 meter long. We need to find the height of the tower. Now see, since at the same time, this word is important. At the same time, angle of elevation of sun is same. If this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta. And angle 1 is already equal to angle 2, 90 degree each. So I can say that these two triangles, ABC and PQR, are similar. So ratio of their sides is also equal. So I can say that h upon 20 is equal to 50 upon 10. So this gives me, if I cancel out the 0, h comes out to be 100 meters, or D is the correct option. Now we have come to the end of the section B. Question number 40 says, find the solution of this pair. See, there is a special thing about this pair of equations. The coefficients are too large. We have to multiply first equation by 43 and the second equation by 37 to equate the coefficients of x. But one more special thing is there, that coefficient of x is same as coefficient of y in the second equation, 37, 37. and coefficient of y in the first equation is same as coefficient of x in the second equation. So such equations are solved with a special method in which we add and subtract the equation. One times we add and one time we subtract. So let us see what do we get on adding and subtracting. I get 80x plus 80y is equal to 240 and minus 6x plus 6y is equal to 6. Now I can divide the first equation throughout by 80 and second equation throughout by 6. On solving, I get 2y is equal to 4, which gives me y is equal to 2. And clearly if y is 2, putting in this equation, I get x is equal to 1. Hence D is the correct option. So this completes section B. I hope you've liked it. Do the paper thoroughly, and if you've liked the video, please do not forget to share the video. Don't forget to subscribe it. Happy practicing.